we're over at Wathumba Creek. We're going to chase some whiting today, and if you want to catch the whiting over here, you can catch them on worms and pippies, but the best bait is the yabbie. So you bring your yabbie pump the yabbies. There's absolutely millions of them here, and you'll catch a lot more fish. I'm going to take you out of the mouth of the river, just south. Thanks for watching our videos. If you're wanting more information about Fraser and travelling the beaches and enjoying all the beautiful things to see over there, we have a YouTube channel that you can subscribe to, all about Fraser, and on there's a collection of videos that you can watch and go through, and you'll pick up a huge amount of knowledge watching the videos, so when you get there it won't feel like the first time at all.